2025, very challenging, but we made it, and now we're in 2026, and this year is even going to be more exciting.
Hi, I'm Ethel Pascual. I'm a new junior team leader candidate. I want to encourage everyone that wants to be like me. You just come and have a cooking experience with us so we can also share with you the good thing about Thermomix.
We, Vovec International, are very confident with Philippines distributors because we see they are not just doing business. They are doing a business for future wholeheartedly.
Actually, I'm very excited of this launch that I have to come all the way from Bacolod. No regrets. It's really fun to be with everyone, to be in this community. Thermomix just continues to elevate home cooking. I'm so excited to use it, and I can't wait for every home to experience it. I'm very happy to be here to share this very memorable event with everyone.
Today, we are launching our TM7 for our advisors. And this year, we are very much focused in helping our advisors and leaders become more active to make them successful and be more confident.
For us, most important is to enable our customers, our users, achieve time saving, healthy, easy to cook, and of course, money saving.
So we invite you to join us, part of a meaningful business where you impact the lives of many people around you in terms of healthy eating and easy cooking.
Eat well, live well.